Good morning, my dear children. This is your EVS teacher, Mamta Dubey. Welcome back to the online teaching classes for the session 2020-21. Dear children, as this is very critical time for all of us due to COVID-19, so for the betterment and safety of you people, we are again continuing our online classes. In the month of April, we have covered 3 lessons, and I hope you all have understood the explanations of those lessons very well. And also, you might have completed your assignment work. Children, question answers of those 3 lessons you can see in our school website in our previous video. And please note down those book exercise and question answers in your EVS copy in clean and beautiful handwriting. Children, one more request, don't keep your work pending, because after explanation of every lesson, we will be giving you question answers and notes of that lesson, which you have to complete in your EVS copy. So, now let's start our today's class. In our today's class, we will start a new lesson, lesson number 4, clothes we wear. We wear clothes to cover our body. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, wind, and dust. They also protect us from insect bites. Children, we wear clothes to cover our body. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, wind, and dust. When we feel heat, we wear warm clothes. We wear woolen clothes in cold season. We use raincoat to protect ourselves from rain, wind, and dust. Clothes also protect us from insect bites. Different people wear different types of clothes depending on the place they live in, the season, and the work they do. Children, different people wear different types of clothes according to the work they do, the season, and the place they work. Like the hospitals, doctors wear different dress. Like the policeman, they wear the uniform. Like the teacher, like the traffic police, and many other peoples are there. Those who wear dress, those who wear clothes according to the work they do, and the season, like where there is very hot place, the people wear cotton clothes which keep them cool. Like in hilly areas where there is very cold, they wear warm clothes. So depending on the place, the season, and the work, people wear different types of clothes. You people also wear uniform when you come to school, isn't it? Now, types of clothes. We wear different clothes in different seasons. We wear light colored cotton clothes in summer. Cotton clothes keep us cool. We get cotton from cotton plants. Cotton cloth is made by spinning and weaving cotton. So children, next topic is different types of clothes. I have told you in the first paragraph that people wear different types of clothes according to the seasons. We know summer season is very hot. So what type of clothes do you wear during hot? You wear the clothes which gives you cool, which keeps your body cool. And we get cool from the cotton clothes. And from where do we get this cotton? We get cotton from cotton plants. Can you see in the picture this cotton plants? Cotton cloth is made by spinning and weaving cotton. We get cotton from this cotton plant by spinning and weaving. Next, we wear woolen clothes in winter. Woolen clothes keep us warm. Woolen clothes are made of wool. We get wool from animals like sheep and camel. So children, in winter season when it is very cold, we wear warm clothes. We wear woolen clothes. And do you know from where do you get this woolen wool? We get wool from animals like sheep and camel. We also wear silk clothes in winter. We get silk from silkworm. Silkworm is an insect which gives us silk, and from that silk clothes are made. Can you see in the picture? Silkworm insect. We also wear leather clothes in winter. Leather can be used to make things like jackets, belts, shoes, bags, wallets. We get leather from animals like cows, buffaloes, and goats. Children, we wear leather clothes in winter also. Leather clothes like jackets, shoes, bags, wallets, and we get this leather from animals like cows, buffaloes, and goats. So, children, do you understand? We wear cotton clothes in summer season. Cotton clothes is made from cotton plant, and we get cotton from cotton plant by spinning and weaving cotton. We wear woolen clothes in winter. Woolen clothes are made of wool. We get wool from animals like sheep and camel. We wear silk clothes in winter. Silk we get from insect silkworm. We use leather clothes in winter. Leathers are made from animals like cows, buffaloes, and goats. During the rainy season, we wear raincoats or carry an umbrella. Raincoats are made from plastic or rubber. We get rubber from the rubber plant. Children, when there is rainy season, to protect ourselves from rain, we use raincoats and umbrella. Do you know from where these raincoats and umbrella are made of? Raincoats are made from plastic or rubber, and we get this rubber from the rubber plant. So, children, in today's class, we learned why we wear clothes and different types of clothes. So, in the next class, we will continue our lesson. Keep going. Thank you.